How to uninstall extension in Microsoft Edge browser. What makes the new Edge browser unique is the Chromium-based engine and the new UI. Since the new browser from Microsoft is based on Chromium, it's compatible with all Chrome extensions and themes. Although it now supports Chrome extension, many users don't know how to uninstall the extension. First of all, launch the Microsoft Edge browser and click on the three dots menu. From the drop-down menu, select Extension. Here you will see all of the extensions installed. You can disable any extension from the button on the right near any extension. To remove an extension, click on the Remove button below the extension name. You have uninstalled an extension in Microsoft Edge browser. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.